Hello students. So we will see how to make a document into PDF today, into a high quality PDF. So first of all you have to install an app that is called Adobe Scan. So just go to your Play Store and type Adobe Scan and you can download it. I have already downloaded it, see, so it is showing the option open, but you can download, install it, and after installing it will ask you to sign up, or if you have already an Adobe account you can sign in. For signing up you can just use your Google account. So now after signing in, when you will open this, it will be like this is home page, and it automatically detects the edges of the pages, and it automatically captures. Okay, so once the capturing is done, so see, here you can see that it captured the whole page. And don't put your phone too far from the page. Put your phone in such a way that the full face comes in the frame, like in the camera frame. Okay, so next, if you think like something like this is not clear, so you can retake. Just tap the option of retake and you can retake it, and take your phone closer so that it captures the only. Okay, so while retaking you can see that it is not very much clear. So to make it clear, you can just tap anywhere on the screen in the camera so that it focuses on the page. So let's take, I tapped and it focuses on the page, and now it will take a clear picture. Okay, so it takes the picture by itself. Okay, now if you have to scan another page, just tap on continue and it will again open the camera. You can like scan the next page. Okay, okay, similarly like this. Okay, now you can see that this picture is like something, I don't want this spirals to come, so I will crop something like this. Okay, so this will not come now. Clear? So it is cropped. Now if I have to scan the third page, I will take continue, I will just move it, and I will just focus it on, and it will it will capture the third page. Now I will just continue and I will scan the fourth page. Okay, so 4 pages I have scanned till now. Okay, now let us see how to make PDF. You can just tap on continue, and now if you don't have to scan anymore, you can just tap on this document. This you can just tap once on this documents, and the sign, the the sign of pictures that was looking, you can just tap on them and it will be it will show like this. Okay, so you can like move here and there from this. Okay, so any page, see, the first thing is like here it is written Adobe Scan, and here it is a option to edit, so I will just name it. Okay, so name it like, see, suppose I named it ABC, or suppose it is assignment 1, assignment 1. Okay, so you can rename it from here. And now you have, in at the last you have different options. The first option is add page. So if you want to scan a more page, if you have forgot, so you can just click on add page, and see there are two options: take another photo and select from photo. So if you have already taken the photo, you can select from photos, or if you have not taken the photo, you can just take another photo. So I will click take another photo, and I will again focus it on the page, and it will capture this. Okay, so it just captured, and I will just crop this because I don't want this. Okay, so I will just continue, and just now I will click on this. Okay, so it automatically add the page at last. Okay, now the second option is reorder. If by mistake you like just if you exchanged any two of pages, like you, if you scan third pages before the second page, so you can tap on the reorder, and you can like just tap on any page, and you can move it anywhere. Okay, so any position you want. So reorder. Next is crop. If you think like any page have some extra extra area which you don't want, so you can crop it, and you can like tap on this arrow to see of which page you want to crop. Okay, and it's like if you have any page, if you want to rotate, so you can rotate it like this. Okay, and if you want to no crop, you can select no crop, then it will create like capture the full page, and if you want to auto detect, so it will auto detect the area. So there are many more options. Okay, so now I just grabbed it. Okay, now the next option is, okay, to rotate. So here also you can rotate this like this. Okay, so if you scanned in the landscape mode and you want to like rotate it, some, for example, see, if I want to add a page, so I add page, I click on took another photo and I scanned it in landscape mode. Okay, so something like this. See, I scanned it in landscape mode, it captured. Okay, and now I continued, and this, now this photo will come in landscape, but I don't want it to be in landscape, so I will just click on rotate and it will be in portrait mode. Okay, next is color. So like color is like this. The first is original. Okay, if you click original, it will show you the original photograph that you clicked in the what lighting conditions, like this. This is the original photograph. Okay, and if you click on apply it to all, so it will apply that effect to all, original effect to all. So let it apply. Okay, so let's see, it is showing the original pictures that you have taken. Okay, now if you change the color to auto color, so it will be a brighter and more like readable format for all pages. Okay, so it will be more clear to you, you can just see. Okay, it is applying the auto color on every page. So see, this is the auto color, this it has applied on this also, on this also, on this also, and on this also. So you can see it is very much clear, and it is like looking like a very good. Okay, so next color is like grayscale and whiteboard also. So you can apply any effect which you think is looking very good and it is doing the work. Okay, so any effect which you want, you can apply. Next is cleanup. Okay, so means something, if some areas are like that, some spot is there. Okay, so you can clean up. So like, see, I don't want this 76, so I can clean up it, just cleared the 76. Okay, you can do the undo also. But something like I don't want this appendix, so it will clean this appendix. Okay, so if some spot are there in on your page, you can just clean it up. Okay, next, you, if you want to resize it, you can like make it A4 portrait, or you can make it A4 landscape, A3, A4, any like, but it is recommended to keep it in A4 portrait. Okay, so it will make all the pages in A4 portrait. And if you want to delete any one page, you can just click delete, it will delete, it will ask from you to delete, and it will delete the page. Okay, so I don't want to see, if I want to delete, I can delete, so that page has been deleted. Okay, now the next option is at this corner, the top right corner, it says saying save PDF. So when you click save PDF, it will save PDF and it will save on the drive. Okay, so it will the Adobe gives you the 2 GB of free space on one account, and you can, it will save it on drive. So it is uploading. Okay, once it is uploaded, you can have multiple options like save as JPEG. Save as JPEG means you can download all picture, all the pages in picture format. Okay, like in JPEG format as a images, but you don't have to like make images. You just click on the more, and here it is a, there is an option like copy to device or copy to Google Drive or save pages as JPG. If you want to modify a scan, if you want to modify something, you can click this option. If you want to rename, you can rename. If you want to move, you can move it. If you want to print, you can print, or if you want to delete this, you can delete this. Now once it has been uploaded on the drive, you have an option to open in Acrobat. So there is another app by Adobe that is very much suitable for the reading PDF, and that app is called Adobe Acrobat. This is the app, Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you have to download this for reading. The benefit, like you can search your files from here, just tap on the files, and so it is asking for like options from where. So I will click on this device, and it will show all the PDF files available on this device to me. Okay, so there are very much PDF files on this device, so I can see on this device how all the PDF device which I have. Okay, next, if I there is more options. One more option is like this. If I want like some I have filed some scanned earlier, so document, when I click document cloud, it will scan the folder of Adobe Scan, and it will show all the documents that I have scanned via Adobe Scan app. So once you have scanned anything on the Adobe Scan, it will show here. Okay, now see, I just scanned that assignment 1 in that app, and it is showing here. Okay, here is that assignment 1. So if I click assignment 1, it will just open, it will just download from the drive and just open the assignment 1. So see, it is here, that assignment 1, and see, it is looking very clear and very accurate. There are many more options like this. You can just click on the three top like three vertical dots, and you can see there are many more options. Some options are available only for subscription, but you don't have to use that options. Okay, and there is one more. So if you click on that document icon, you will have a night mode. So in night mode, you will able to see like this. Okay, clear. So these are the options available in this app. Okay, so this is the Adobe Acrobat, but we'll go back to Adobe Scan. Okay, so now here you have the option to share. Okay, and you can share its copy, its link or email, and if you don't want to share, you can just copy to device. Okay, and it will ask to which folder. So I will save it in my downloads folder, and here I can rename it also, but I will not rename it. It is already named assignment 1, so I'll just save. Okay, it has just saved it to my downloads folder, and I can now go to my downloads folder, and I will find that file. So I will go to file manager, this, and download, and in download I will find that assignment 1. Okay, so here it is. I will tap on the assignment 1, I will open it with Adobe Acrobat, and it is here. So it is all about how to make a PDF from your copy, and it will be very much suitable. I think you all can get it. Okay, so hope you will send your assignments in PDF now. Thank you.